I wonder how many great artists there would be if it weren't for the good opinion of others. How many times has a callous word, an unthoughtful observation, how many times has that taken the wind out of the sails of the artist and left them feeling like, I can't do this. I'm on the wrong path. I'm not being productive. My work isn't any good. And so they never get started to begin with. Bless the good opinion of others. But sometimes I wish they'd keep their opinions to themselves. I think about all the great art that might exist.